Hello and welcome back to my cave. Today we're gonna be building box 4 of IXO Collections Porsche 917 KH. So first we have stage 13, and here we have the other half of the cylinder block, the cylinder head, and which is metal, and a valve cover, plastic injectors, some baffles. But first we take this piece, put it onto this piece and the pulley on top, and that goes on with a DP screw like so, and we have a pulley that goes on this valve cover from stage 12, and that goes on like so with a AP screw like so, and then we need to do some cutting because we need valve, spark plugs. Like so, and then we need to probably tweezers because we need to put all those 12 spark plugs into the holes of the cylinder head. And that can be tricky. Like so. It took a while, but it's done. Then we take the regular valve cover, turn this up like so, and this goes like so, and that is held in with two EP screws like so, and then we take the valve cover with the injection pump and line that up, and that also uses EP screws like so. And that cylinder head is done, and that means stage 13 is complete. Now we have stage number 14. First, ISO gives us a screwdriver, which is always handy, and we have the top cover, which is plastic. But now we need the engine, and we are gonna put the turret cover on here like so, and we're gonna take the smaller of the two belts, and that goes on the alternator and the engine pulley. Now we're gonna put the cover on top of the engine, which goes like so, with the hole to the front of the engine, and that uses 4 IM screws, and since they are going into metal, I am putting them in oil. Like so. And then we put 2 of these air intake brackets on these 2 cylinders. Then we need to cover these 2 distributor housings from stage 10, and these just slots in like so, and the same on the other side. They do have a D-shape key, so like so, and then we put the intakes on this bank of cylinders, and then we need the remaining 4 cylinders from stage 8, and you need to put the air intakes on top of them. Then we need to slot 2 of them into the rear side, and the final 2 on the front side. Of course they fall out, but that's just life. Like so, and then you need to put the baffles in, and I'm gonna put them on the block side first. Like so. Then we put the cylinder head on top, and that is held with IM screws. You might have to push the cylinder head further down for the screws to catch. Like so. Finally, the second cylinder head is on the engine. Now we take the longer belt in this stage, goes on the rear alternator with the valve cover pulley, and the oil pipe goes from the cylinder block to the valve cover. so. And that is stage 14 complete. So here we have stage number 15. First we take the upper piece, put these yellow squares around the corners. These just snap in. Like so. Turn this around and to put the end bracket on like so. These just snap in. And then we take the lower piece and I just goes in here with 3 CP screws like so. Then we take the engine and the side with the injector pump that just goes over the intakes, and then we take 3 of these air pulls or something. Make sure the holes face outwards. Now we put 3 AP screws, 1 in each, starting with the back end, like so. And we save the remaining 3 for later. And that is stage 15 complete. And finally we have stage number 16, which looks identical. Just like last time, we put the yellow squares on the top covers. Extra yellow square. Strange. Anyway, then we put the end pieces on. And the bottom piece. And that is held in with 3 CP screws. Then that piece is complete. Then we take the engine and put the alternator support in here, or first in the here, and like so. Now the alternator has some purchase, and now we put this bar on here with the mounting hole facing backward, and this time the holes in the trumpets should face inwards. So after a good period of time putting all of the trumpets in, lining them up and screwing them in place, stage 16 is complete, and box 4 is then complete. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.